What's up, pretty boy gang? It's your girl Chelsea Aaron, and on this episode of Choose the Boost, we're featuring a GOAT unboxing of the Adidas original Alexander Wang Bluebird mid-skate shoe. Curated by acclaimed American designer Alexander Wang, this shoe seamlessly marries high fashion with fly streetwear in a unique New York City style. If you're a sneakerhead like me, go ahead and hit that subscribe button now to get notifications for more of our unboxings. Thank you for your support, and let's get to it. Alexander Wang skate shoe dropped on December 1st in 2017 at the retail price of $235. I was a broke college student at the time, so this shoe was not at all on my radar or in my budget. In fact, very recently, I happened upon the sneaker while browsing the GOAT app one Saturday morning before boozy brunch. I find that to be the best time to buy shoes online. Much to my surprise, the shoe was available on GOAT in my size for the price of, drumroll please, $59. A GOAT certified new inbox shoe by Alexander Wang for $59. Pretty boy thought she was still asleep. She was dreaming in that deep REM cycle. Something, I don't know. Right at that moment, my cat hopped on my bed for some attention, and I realized it was real life. Me and this shoe were just meant to be. I quickly placed the shoe in my shopping cart and proceeded to check out. Waited only about a week before the shoe was verified and delivered to my doorstep. Let's see what's inside. Okay. So the shoe came in this really dope 3-stripe life tote. Reusable. Give you a good look at this shoe before we start talking about its construction and fit. See that, Dom? It's beautiful. This luxurious skate shoe features a premium soft suede upper and vivid, rich bluebird color. The tongue is constructed as a wraparound to naturally fit your foot silhouette. The suede upper is enclosed by a sexy, sleek black lacing system and embossed with a upside-down trefoil on the forefoot. That has become the co-brand logo for collaborations between Alexander Wang and Adidas. The Bluebird is gorgeously contrasted with a tri-color white, tan, and black herringbone traction midsole, reppin' mad skate culture. This shoe fits true to size. For your reference, I wear a 7 in women's Adidas and ordered a men's size 6. Now, I believe that every shoe is a work of art, but this baby is a showstopper. Showstopping. We in the car, we ride slow.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Alright, pretty boy say let's get to the 360 try-on so you can decide whether or not you would choose these shoes. Brings us to the conclusion of this episode of Choose the Boost featuring the super fly Alexander Bluebird skate shoe. If you're a sneakerhead like me and enjoyed this content, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell us what you love about this shoe. Tell us what you dislike about it, and give us suggestions on what shoes to feature next. Shout out to the man behind the camera, co-producer, and cinematographer Dom B. I'm going to go try to find some space on my mantle for these babies, so until next time, stay healthy, stay pretty, stay smart. Pretty boy, peace out.